In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube channel account. So firstly, you need to sign in your YouTube channel account, and after that, click on your profile icon and click on YouTube Studio in this list. Then click on playlist. So a new tab will open and you will see a list of playlists which you created before. In my case, I created 6 playlists. So if you want to delete any playlist, just you need to click on edit in front of that playlist. Now click on these three dots. Here is the option delete playlist. So you need to click on delete playlist. Are you sure that you want to delete this playlist? If you are sure, so click on delete. That's it. So very simple method to delete any playlist on YouTube channel. Firstly, type youtube.com. Then click on your profile icon. In here, click on YouTube Studio. And in this list, left side panel, click on playlist. New tab will open. Select playlist like this one. So click on edit. Then click on these three dots and click on delete playlist. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. So make sure deleting playlist is a permanent action and can't be undone. So if you are sure and you want to delete this playlist, click on delete. That's it.